quick pack of the bag. There's a few more little things to go inside. But now let's have a look at all the tech we'll be taking on this trip. The one thing you do need in 2021 while travelling is masks, especially down in Victoria at the moment. It's mandatory to wear masks in public places. So I have a whole bag of them here. Should last me the week. Don't forget your mask.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now.
So we're here at the airport now, and we've got to put our masks on to go inside. So time to go in.
Taking off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night.
So we made it to the airport. We're at the board. Soon, hopefully. Not too long. Actually flying business class for the first time, which is really exciting.
Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night.
Arrived in Melbourne. It's 10:15 at night. We're the only flight here in the airport. No more. So I arrived at the Qantas terminal. Now I've got to walk all the way down to the Jetstar terminal at the other end of the airport to get my lift. Walk through the international terminal. Nobody here. Still international flights, even though we're during COVID time. Still come to Melbourne. We made it. We're in Melbourne. Got to go to the other side now. still can if you want. So we're having lunch here at Ascot Vale. Yeah. Hey Hayden.
Hey.
Yeah, my mate Hayden. We're gonna have some fish and chips, aren't we? Yeah. Beast. Beast. Close that thing. There we go. There, Hayden. Right. There we go. Right.
Ah!
Welcome to Turkey. That's where you get the grass from.
Yeah, mate. Yep. That's alright, that's great. But you're gonna get on it first. You start to push before you. Yeah, push down there. Give it a bit of speed first. Then push down. Yeah, it's pretty fast though. Right, Hayden? Hi, Hayden. I can go pretty fast. The top speed is like 40. Go fast, faster.
Yeah, maybe half a minute. Okay, enough. Can I go home? Some crocodile. So we're down here at Werribee Lake, Werribee Creek or swamp or whatever.
Fully no.
Down there. Where all the crocodiles live. No
No
crocodiles?
No.
No?
And not.
You'll find a thing to Troy. Yeah, just stand behind him and be the shade.
Are these tadpoles, Troy? Yeah. Oh, no, they're fishes. Tadpoles? They're not, are they?
Land that thing, boy.
just scooting here along the Werribee River, finding my way along. You hungry, Hayden? I hope you enjoyed this travel vlog. If you want any information about the destinations we visited in this vlog, don't forget to check out the attached information guide, either in the description below or also on our website. Until the next vlog, let's go explore.